Okay, just getting in from a long days of take care of properties. I got a little business, Madison Lawn Care out of Atlanta, Georgia. I take care of a few properties in Montgomery as well, but Atlanta is where the customers are and they like to pay. But I'm going to give an update to our trading platform. So let's say I'm right here on the Google search, and I think the markets did a little dip today. So let's just type in the Google search S&P. And as a matter of fact, let's do the what's being trading right now, which is the ESU4. The E mini is 4, 2014. That's what that means. Of course, it pops up as futures. We're going to click charts. See, can we find a chart? Okay, bar charts is what's one that I use, so it pops up. I'm very live right now, so I just want to show you how I analyze the markets before I trade and after I trade. So barcharts.com, as you can see, I have an account with them, but I'm not going to log in right now. I'm just going to try to work from the surface page. Here's a snapshot of what happened right over here. Let's go to exactly what happened. Let's go ahead and click the chart so I can break it down for you. Okay, so how I break down my charts, if I can slide this down a little bit. You have your volume down here, and you have your Western bar charts up top. Right now, in my opinion, this is in a stage. There was stage 2. Well, that's stage 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but right now we're coming out of what they call a double, almost a triple top. So what I'm gonna do is, if I can blow this up, which I probably can't because I am kind of live. So this is what I'm gonna do to kind of mark up the chart. I'm gonna go to my snippet tool at the bottom. I'm going to snip this chart. I'm very live right now. Snip the chart, and I'm going to copy it in my snippet tool. Copy. I'm gonna go to my start menu, go to paint, open up a paint menu, and I'm going to click and paste it there. The reason why I'm doing this, so I can kind of mark up the chart to show you what's going on. Let's blow it out a little bit more. Okay, here we go. So right now we're coming out of a triple top. If you can see, let me get my pencil going. Let me get some red going. And you got one top there. Well, let's get a shape. A shape is better. Let's go. One top. Let's go with this shape right here. A top there. A top there. And a top here. So that's a triple top. Triple tops indicates a string move down. So right now, the shoulder of the top was at right here. If you can see these 2 points right here. Let me make a straight line. Let me undo that. Make a straight line. Let's get kind of technical here because I am a technical artist with the charts. Make a line going straight across. Line that up. Boom. I'm gonna undo that one, and I gotta hit the shift key to make that line go perfectly straight. So once I line up, I hit shift and it go perfectly straight. Okay, as you can see, it already broke the half broke below the shoulders of the triple top. Now we might get a retracement back up. Let me change the color to green because everybody likes green to go up, and I'm gonna change my line a little bit thinner. It might get a retracement back up to here, which will be setting up what they call a bearish flag. Bearish flags mean it's a long pole. Here's your pole. Let me turn back to my red. Let me thin my line up a little bit more. Bearish flags. Here's your pole, and flags fly half mast, meaning that it's going to come halfway up this pole, and it's going to possibly fall back down. As you can see, this line is at the bottom of these 2 bottoms right here. Let me make a little mark. Let's see. Let's use a circle and black dots, and let's go here with one, and here with one. I don't know why that's filling in, so let's undo that. Let's go fill solid. circle. You can see I'm very live right now. Solid. It's still not filling, but okay, so I'm gonna undo all of it. Let me just go back to my pencil and I just freehand it with a black mark, black color. You have a bottom right here, and you have a bottom right here. So that now bottom is, since the market has broken below that, is considered as resistance. So if the market retraces back up, you have this resistance to go through, this resistance to go through. These are the most recent resistance, major resistance, what I like to call, and one of the major ones that I love to use is this big bar right here. Usually 50% of this bar is a major resistance. And I can almost bet my bottom dollar, if you took the calculation of this body and divided it by 2, it's going to be within a couple pips of this bottom and this bottom. I can bet my bottom dollar. You can go back even farther and probably be close to this number back here as well. That means that this is a major area right here. I don't know that exact number because I'm a technical analyst. I can sit down and do the math and get exact numbers to do my trading. If I was going to do a trade, I would pay attention to my volume. The volume is decreasing. If it's going up here towards this area right here, the volume continues to decrease. I probably will put me an order at maybe a pip or two, well, a tick or two above the 50% of this line, which would be 50% of this body, with a stop somewhere up in here, 2 or 3 points. Just sit there and wait for the market to come to me. Right now, I'm waiting for the overnight markets are going to be open in a few minutes. So when they open, I'm going to come back and analyze. Let's go back to bar charts. Where you can see this is a paint. This is paint one I'm on right now. So let's go back to bar charts. And let's see, can we change the time? I think this is a daily. You can do all type of stuff with this bar chart. I love it because it's so useful and it's free. Let's go back. Let's break it down to 2 months and draw a chart. Same information. Give it a few 10 minutes, and that's 2 months. As you can see, this 50% of this bar. Let's do this. If you did that math, let me see, can I pop up my calculator? There's my calculator. Okay. I put the cursor on this right here. Let me click this first. I put the cursor on this right here. And the high for that day was 1965.5 plus the low was 1923.5 equals, and we will divide that by 2. Divided by 2. Oh, I did that wrong. I'm sorry. 1965.5 plus 1923.5 equals, divided by 2 equals. Excuse my phone, it's a business call, but I'll get back to it in a minute. So that number comes out to 1944.5. Let's see, can we find 1944.5 on this chart? As I scroll over this one, that low is 1942.5. Okay. As I scroll to this bar, that low is 1945.25. So that tells you that this bar, that gives you an indication, let me stop, that gives you an indication that this bar right here, the 50% of that bar is very strong. You have 2 points right here, and I guarantee we go back farther in time, we'll find closer numbers that are closer to that 1944.5. I would watch that number. But as we move closer to the market, meaning that as we move to the right, meaning as I move this to the right, let's look at this top right here. That high is 1937.5, which will be the next major resistance that I see. So we go back, simple eyes, you see in this box, you go back and you see what you got. You got lows right here. That low is 1936.25. This low is 1939.75. So that might be a little area you might be able to put a short trade in. Right now, I'm sitting back to see how this bearish flaggish thing is looking like right here. That's part of technical analysis. My name is Richard. Look for our website, tradersinsight.com, coming soon, and I hope to see you soon on the next video. Thank you.